Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AngelList Venture, manage startup investments step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.angelist.com and press enter. Once the AngelList homepage loads, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see options to log in using your email or a social media account. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. After you enter your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will now be logged into your AngelList. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to manage your startup investments. You can view your current investments, add new startups, or track performance. To invest in a new startup, click on the Invest tab in the menu. Browse through the available startups and select one that interests you. Check the investment details and funding goals before proceeding. To invest, enter the amount you wish to invest and follow the prompts. Confirm your investment to finalize the process. You can return to your dashboard at any time to review your investment portfolio. Keep track of updates and notifications regarding your investments in the profile section. For further assistance, visit the Help Center available on the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.